Very good. So please do study very well about PEMDAS. What is letter P?
Parentheses.
E?
Exponent.
M?
Multiplication.
D?
Division.
A?
Addition.
S?
Subtraction.
Okay, so what is the rule for multiplication and division? If that two operation is the remaining sa dapat isolve, what is the rule? Left to right. As well as sa addition and subtraction, what is the rule? Left to right. So meaning to say, for example sa number 4, na mistake mo because giuna yung solve o multiplication because PEMDAS man. But to think nga ang rule is left to right. So meaning to say, bisag kinsay mag-una na nila basta multiplication o division ang mabilin, left to right gihapon ang pagsulbad. Unahon lang gyapon dire dapit. Then until sa last. Naka-gets?
Yeah.
Very good. Fighting. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, 25 minus the quantity of 6 times 3 plus 8.
15.
Okay, very good. 15. Next, Jillian May. The quantity of 14 plus 21 divided by 5 times 4.
28.
Very good. 28. Next, Joanna. 90 minus the quantity of 40 divided by 5 times 3.
70.
No. First, you need to solve the parentheses inside. So, what is 40 divided by 5? What is the answer? Okay, eyes here. Ang 40 divided by 5, what is the answer? Oh, sa multiplication na siya. What will you multiply? Okay, 8. So, 8 times 3. What is the answer?
24.
Okay, then 24. So, 90 minus 24. 90 minus 24.
66.
Very good. That is the correct answer. Okay, next. Let's have Algene. Algene, the quantity of 8 times 9 minus 12 divided by 4. Okay, the other students, nga manag-answer, you may take your seat. Pwede na molingkod si Joanna, si Jillian May, and Mary Me. Okay? The quantity of 8 times 9 minus 12 divided by 4. Okay, Algene, first, what is 8 times 9?
72.
Okay, now, you need to divide 12 divided by 4. What is 12 divided by 4? 3. Okay, now, 72 minus 3. The answer is very good, 69. Okay, Jed. 60 divided by the quantity of 3 times 2 plus 7. Okay, Jed. First answer, 3 times 2.
6.
Okay, 6. And 60 divided by 6. Okay, 10 plus 7.
17.
Very good. Now let's have Prince. 45, the quantity of 45 minus 18 divided by 3 times 5. Okay, first, what is 45 minus 18? 27. Is it correct?
No.
Yes. Then, how about 3 times 5?
15.
15. Okay? But, you need to 27 divided by 3.
9.
9. 9 times 3.
18. Ay, 27.
I mean to say 9 times 5.
45.
Okay, that is the correct answer. Sit down.
Hello everyone. Today I am going to talk about mode. When we say mode, it is the most frequent value of a data set, which means it is also the majority of an object or number in one set. For example, we have set of numbers from 7 to 12. 7, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10, and 12. So our mode here is 9 and 10 because both of them has two numbers while the others are only one, which means they are majority. So that's all. Thank you.
So today I am going to tackle mean. So in getting the mean, we need to add up every values, then divide its count values. Example, we have here 10 plus 15 plus 20 plus 25 and plus 30. So with that we have the answer 20 because the total count of values is 5. And that is all. 감사합니다.
안녕하세요. So today I'm going to report about median. So median is the middle value in a set of number which is smallest to largest. So the data is 12, 15, 18, 20, 25. So and the median is the middle is 18 and 20. So 18 plus 20, that's why we have 38, and 38 divided by 2, that's why we have median 19. That's all. 감사합니다.